Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Vincent van Gogh Starry Night build. This is the first part got finished last time, and now we're going to continue. Okay, I think I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. This is a pretty neat selection here. A little worried about all these studs. Haven't really been a big fan, or hasn't looked like it'd be something I'd really like to do, is doing like that stud art. So let's see how this goes. This didn't seem like that, but at least there would be some studs, I suppose, but not like the stud art of, like, say, the world map. The world map is cool and all, but I don't think I really want to put on all those little, I think they're tile too, though, little round tiles. Like, that's a lot of little round tiles to try to put on. Anyway, now we're painting. I think we're painting here with the bricks, and we're getting these together. See how that's gonna turn out with these well, it's plate. I'm doing plate here first. Oopsie, that is supposed to be one over. It's gotta be kind of specific, I think, what we're putting together here. Okay, and then another layer of the light blue. Lego wouldn't be able to do this if they didn't have such a selection of colors like they do now, right? It's something that has kind of opened the doors to this kind of set, is just having all these pastel colors in addition to all the other colors they have. So you can do this kind of thing. I think they even came up with some more yellows because of the new Van Gogh set with the flowers, sunflowers, right? Okay, so this is supposed to go on this one here. Okay, oh, so this is sitting like this, I guess, and so that's the front. And this is gonna be like the city or something sitting out front. Okay, now we gotta get the next section in here. So now what are we putting together? This is a little like the paint by numbers, except with bricks. I did enjoy those paint by number sets when I was a kid, so yeah, so this is a kind of a modern, like, it's a Lego version of paint by numbers, I guess, with the design of this set. I forgot to put these two bricks on down here. Okay, so I think we got that there, and then that goes here. That's interesting. Oh, we're putting that on here. So now we've got another piece to go on here, and that's gonna clip on there, maybe, or like this. Well, it goes all the way over. And yeah, it does. Okay, see? That is interesting. That's pretty good. And now what? Oh, we just gotta put pieces straight on here. Let's start with, I guess we'll start with this green and brown piece. Yeah, that brown in the diagram is a lot darker than the brown that we're actually using. Oh, here's one of these studs. Okay, there we go. And then that. I guess there's a lot of, they've been doing more of like the lots of tile and those little 1x1 tiles in that Rivendell set. It's a bit more detailed detailed, then, well, maybe not as quite as fun to get that all put together. And I have two of these here. I mean, it's a lot of tiles that need to go in a specific order, but that goes there. And then we have, well, here's this snot brick here. That's gonna go here, and we have one like that. Okay, anything else? I think we're good to go. And now I have these two need to go out front here. So this is going to be some water. Is that what we're putting on here? And that goes here on that tile. Maybe that's what that is. And then I have blue, like, yeah, seriously, like all these great blue colors all together. Get that one there, and then that goes in front of those snot bricks there. So that's a little hill area, some grass maybe. And we have another piece here. We got to get, what is this one? It should be the light blue. So did I use the wrong blue somewhere? I might have used the wrong blue somewhere, or maybe not. No, this is, oh yeah, so it is a different, supposed to be a different blue. And if I use that, so it's supposed to be that one. Yeah, I don't have another one in here. Maybe I should be careful with that because I don't really know what blue is supposed to go where. Okay. Did I use, oh, I put the wrong blue up here. So there's the wrong blue is up there. So I got to get that one out. I used the wrong blue right there. That's the wrong blue. That blue is supposed to be this one. And then that goes on top like that. So this is going to be fun getting the actual exact right colors here. Okay, so that's better. And then that is supposed to go on top here. And then we have this, where is that? We have these, this blue guy. Some of these dark blues and the regular Lego blue. And that's, well, that swoops into that little spot in there. So that's looking good. And we're making now we're making like a side piece here. Okay, so we got this kind of partially curved guy here, and we put one there, and we put one there, and they actually go on the snot bricks like that. So that goes there, and that goes there, so that's looking good. Okay, now we make a little, oh, these are, I guess these are little houses. So that's what we're using this for. So these little sloped, double sloped guys can be used for houses. Are they the same? They're supposed to be the same. Hopefully I'm using the right, I think I'm using the right blue. And then that guy goes on with this roof. And we got one going this way, and we got one going this way. Getting one by ones aligned is always fun as well. Not always the easiest thing to do. Knock that off. That's got to go here first. Let's get that house back on here. And yeah, try to line up the one by ones. Oh, here we go. 4 of these. Okay, we got 4 of these. This is not as bad as the portholes on the Titanic. The portholes on the Titanic were they're the most kind of redundant or repetitive thing I have had to put together, but necessary because there are a lot of portholes on the Titanic. And then we need 3 of these slopes with the dark blue plates. And we try to get those all on here. Okay, so one goes here, and we put 2 in the little, I don't know if those are supposed to be stacks or something. And that goes there. Then we have 2 behind it. And another one over here. Okay, and then we have this guy. Oh, there's supposed to be 2 of these. So one goes here, and then I have to make another one. Okay. And that one goes in front of it. Okay, so now we're up to there. And we make another one of these guys. Oh, wait. Okay, we make... Is that right? Wait a second. Oh, there's 2. Okay, so we make one with the yellow one and one with the blue one. And that goes here, the yellow on this side, and the blue one on this side. Making it quite 3D model out of that. So there we go. We got this here, and we got kind of a little combination of these little green and brown pieces together. I think it's like that. Now we have these 2 green pieces, so I'll slide over there. And another one on this side. Okay, and then a green plate there. And the brown plate on top. Oop. Yeah, that's great. Wait a second. Is that right? Now I don't know if that's right. I think it goes like this. So I think this goes here, and then that goes like that. Yeah, that's right. And then the green plate on the top. We hold that together. Another green plate up here. And we have a curved slope piece, this one. And a 1x1 plate. Then we get this building, I guess, is going over here. Oh, I forgot the brown. Okay, I'll put the brown slope on after. So that goes there. Then that brown slope will go on over here. Okay, so that looks right. Once again, we have 4 more of these guys. At least separate them out a little bit. And then we got a little house here with these white bricks and this slope, and then one more of these. Okay, so, oh, the grills. Okay, let's see. Now this goes here, and then we got grill. We have grill here, and then one of these guys, and then another grill. Then I have that there, grill, and 2 more of these. And this house goes on this side. Okay. Okay, now I have to make 3 of these with this brown tile. Not going to be one of these cases where this was like on the one of the like a reef piece, a small reef, where we had to like try to connect the round green plates, which was they didn't want to stay together. Okay, we have this goes there, and then I have to take these guys and put them here. So that's looking good, I think. Now, this kind of last plate going together here. And this is here. That's there. Oh, these go underneath. They do go underneath. So we'll ensure there. That goes like that. Yeah, see these round plates aren't super solid. Okay, we have to put there and these studs over here, and then a round tile there. One of the round plates here, and another quarter round tile here. Okay, so that's there. And now we have some more studs around this side and this side. Okay, and now round plate goes here. And a stud, that stud goes here, and brown stud on top, and then a quarter round tile there. We have studs over studs go on those brown, the light green studs on the brown studs there. It's like that. We're good still. Now a quarter round tile on here. And that stud goes here. And then a brown stud up here. And a green stud on top. I think I got everything there. And that, oh, that goes in front there. So that's supposed to go here on those brackets. Okay, well, that's interesting. I think that looks right. So, well, that has been part 2 of my Lego Van Gogh Starry Night build. Got this section we're getting all built up here. This little it's already starting to look like a little town over there. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.